5 elegant balusters rise up on this split-level home set on 2 pristine acres in West Greenwich. Walk up to the main level and entertain friends and family in the spacious living room, which extends into the adjoining dining room where a glass slider creates a bright meal setting. The nearby updated kitchen is a delightful place to cook meals and boasts cherry cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops with breakfast bar seating. In the warm months, you can sit out and eat meals on the deck overlooking the oversized outdoor space. The above-ground pool and scenic fire pit are popular attractions for everyone and are a picture-perfect way to spend a day in New England. Back inside, completing the main level is a master bedroom featuring a walk-in closet, ensuite bath, and a warm sunroom with a vaulted ceiling. Additionally, there are 3 more generous bedrooms and a full bath. The walkout lower level offers plenty of living space and can be converted into an in-law apartment with multiple possible bedrooms. The kitchenette and laundry area includes cherry cabinets and plenty of counter space. The large family room and home gym are great spots for activities. West Greenwich is a quiet town full of natural beauty. Hike the trails at the Big River Management Area or one of the many local parks. Local goods are available at many of the local farms, including Layden's Tree Farm and Winery. Southern Rhode Island is full of a host of beaches along the shoreline and are ideal destinations for a day trip. Providence is less than 32 miles away and is a cultural center full of award-winning theaters and dining options. For more information, please visit the property website or call Patrick Murray at area code 401-965-4520.